So here we've got a New Holland 308 manure spreader. Got some, they welded these extensions so that they're solid. It's getting a little thin up top. I saw a place right here in the side. We turned this on and it is working good, but there's a little crack in the side. Right here, there's a little place in it as well, right on that seam. Guys, they're hauling manure in it. 2,400 gallons. These things are terribly expensive today. But it is a side slinger. You can see it's cleaning out. It's got dry stuff in it, but it's getting ready to get cold. We wanted to turn it on and see how it's working. But some of the sides are getting a little bit thin on it. But you can see functionally. You can see that auger turning. Guys, this is going to sell absolute on Tractor House Auction. So it does have a door, you can close it off and it works. It does have a slight oil leak to the seal though, okay, I want you all to know that. Just want you guys to know that. Other than that, hey, it's a usable piece. It's got a few places in the sheet metal, as you can see when we videoed it. But it will haul manure. The box on this is 17 feet long and 78 inches wide is what the box is. And then it does feed down at the bottom, obviously. So, but they say it's 2,400 gallons. You're going to buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction. You can see it spreads.